Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and here I am doing another card from this online class for the country home. So this is the one, and like I've been mentioning on all the videos, you have to have these stamps in order to be able to complete all the projects. So anyway, so this one, let's just go over measurements real quick. So this one is Early Espresso, and it is 8.5 by 5.5. Then I have a piece of the design series paper, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5. Then I have a piece of design series paper from the Country Lane, and this one is 1.5 by 4. And I'm gonna be cutting it. I'm gonna be putting it like that. I think I like it that way. It is. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5. And this is going to go in the inside because this cardstock is really dark. And then I have a piece of Blackberry Bliss, and this is 2.5 by 4 1/4. And this one is 2 1/4 by 4. So let's just go ahead and start stamping. I want to put on this one, I'm going to do some coloring and also some stamping here. So anyway, so let's just go with this. I'm going to go ahead and use my piercing mat because the stamp set is photopolymer. And I'm going to be using Memento ink. So I have Memento ink. I just make sure that everything is well inked. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one like so. Then I'm going to take these flowers, make sure that I have everything well inked, and I'm going to be putting it like so. And on the inside of this card, I want to have the Early Espresso. I'm thankful, and I'm thinking about using also, no, I think I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just going to be putting I'm thankful. I think I like that sentiment a lot. I won't be doing a lot more coloring. You could do more, but I really want just to, hopefully I don't get any of that here. I'm going to be putting it right in the center. Oh, gorgeous. Now, because I know I will be staining something here, I'm going to go ahead and clean these, and I'm using the Simply Chamois. And if you don't have these, it's a fantastic new way to clean your stamps. It only uses water, and I'm going to tell you, I am in love with this tool because, like I said, you just clean it with water. It's super easy, and at the end of your stamping session, you just go ahead, wash it, rinse it, and then you're ready for the next time. So awesome. So okay, so now that I have this, I'm gonna go ahead and start coloring. And for this, I'm gonna be using the 2 shades of Smoky Slate for this, and I'm using the lighter. And you can see I'm just going over. And the same here. Okay. And then I'm going to be doing this as well as that, okay? Then I'm going to be doing the darker. We're doing that section and this section. And you can see I'm just doing this. Like so. And then I'm going to go back with the lighter. And I'm going to be using the color lifter, and I'm going to be doing in the opposite direction, just to get a little bit more of that shading. And I think I went over a little bit here, so I'm just gonna take a little bit here. Hopefully it doesn't go out. So you can see it here. I love how it looks. Now it's bothering me a little bit that it kind of took a little bit too much. I'm just gonna go back a little bit here, and there we go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Mango Melody for these flowers. Then I'm gonna be taking the Blackberry Bliss, the darker one, to do this little section. And you know what? I'm just gonna do those. And then I'm gonna be taking the lighter one, the lighter blackberry, to do these little circles on the flowers. And then taking the old olive to do the leaves. And I'll do a close-up in a second. I know I'm going really fast. I think I am coloring the same way I've been coloring these flowers on all the other videos, so there's nothing different. There's I believe 3 cards using the same, or 2 other ones I believe, so don't worry about it. And I'll do a close-up, and also you have the pictures on the PDF as well. Then I have these, what is this? Pool Party, the lighter shading. So I'm doing a little bit there. And alrighty, and there we go. So here it is. So you can see a close up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some Wink of Estella. And you know what? I just realized the edges here, because I went too fast, were not really well done. There we go. So now with the Wink of Estella, I'm gonna go ahead and put some color on this Mango Melody, I should say. And then I'm going to be doing these little ones. Everything that has the Blackberry Bliss, pretty much. And I think that just looks fantastic. So there we go. You can see it here. I love the shimmer look. So now that I have that, let's just go ahead and start gluing everything. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one down. Alrighty. Folding in half my card base. Alright. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this one inside. And here we go. Then this one will go here. Alrighty. Then I'll have this section, and this one will go like so. So and again, you can use their fast fuse, you can use the snail, you can use the tumble liquid glue as well. So anyway, multiple options. So now we're going to be putting this one like so. I'm going to go and use dimensionals. I love using dimensionals. love it, love it, love it. I think it when you have dimension on your card, it's just, I mean, it's just set it apart from a regular card, you know. That's how I feel anytime I see a card with dimensionals. I just feel like it set it up apart. So I'm just gonna put it here, right in the center. Then I'm gonna be using one of those galvanized and put a little bow. So there we go. Yes, and I think it will look really nice. So anyway. So let's just add this with the glue dots. And I'm going to put it right here. And another glue dot right here. And voila. Don't you like it? I mean, wouldn't you like to receive a card like this? And of course, I love that it has something inside. And anyway, so hopefully you have enjoyed this card class. And I'm very grateful that you all are taking this class with me. Let me just show you all the different cards that we have made. And I don't know if you have been, if I put them on your PDF in order, but I love all the different cards. I think they all have a different wow factor. So hopefully you have enjoyed making this this card, and I really would appreciate it if you give me some feedback if there's anything that you think I should be improving. I am really, this is like this will be like my second card class online, where I focus on one stamp set. So let me know how you're liking it. Let me know if you feel I should be improving something. So anyway, I really appreciate it. So thank you, and I'll see you on the next card class. Okay, bye.